In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot in Windows. There is a powerful tool in Windows which is called Snipping Tools, which can be used for taking high quality screenshots. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, go to Start and search for Snipping Tool in Windows. Here Snipping Tool appears. If you right click on it and you want to use it again and again, then it is recommended that select Pin to Taskbar. Now open it. For example, I want to take screenshot of the whole screen. For that purpose, I will go to this new, click down arrow and select full screen snip. Now you can observe that the screenshot of whole screen appeared here. Now if you want to save it, go to this file menu, go to this save snip and select location. Now if I close it, you can see here that screenshots image saved here. You can copy paste it at any location. Additionally, if you want to select selected location, for example, here is a PDF file and I want to take screenshot of only this area. For this purpose, go to this snapping tool. I have already pinned it to taskbar. Click on it. Now this option appeared here. From new, down, click on down arrow and select rectangular snip. By default it is selected. Now you can see here plus sign appeared here and the screen area is also changed. Select that area. Now you can see here that snipping tool has take screenshot. There is other useful option. For example, I want to highlight certain text. I will select highlighter and this is the important text I want to highlight. Additionally, if you want to write someone, here is pen option. And here is rubber option. You can remove it. You can even change the color of pen and its thickness. For example, I select blue pen. You can see its color is changed. And if I want to remove it, use razor option and it will be removed. Additionally, if you want to just copy this text and paste it in Word, select copy and paste it in Word. Now you can see here that it is pasted and its quality is very fine. Additionally, if you want to take screenshot of some file with irregular shape, you can also do that. Go to here, again open snipping tool and select on new, and from here you can select free from snip. For example, I want to take screenshot of only this area. Now you can observe that the selected area is appeared here and we have taken the screenshot of that area. And if you want to further explore it, you can use these options here and you can even email it. So it is a very useful option. I recommend you can use it for variety of purpose. So thanks for watching this tutorial.